Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Davida Paswet bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe for today. On November 11th at 11 a.m. at the Salesian headquarters in Rome, the press conference will take place to present Don Bosco Global Youth Film Festival DBGYFF, the first Salesian film festival of world level. The appointment will be attended by Director Major Father Angel Fernandez Artime, Father Gildacio Mendez, General Counsellor for Social Communication, and Father Harris Packham, Director of the festival. The event will be moderated by Father Giuseppe Costa, co-spokesman of the Salesian congregation. The Don Bosco Global Youth Film Festival DBGYFF is a unique project of its kind to involve young people from all countries and latitudes in the elaboration of short films on the theme of hope. Today, more than ever necessary in a world marked by the pandemic, wars and natural disasters. The annual meeting of the Delegates for Youth Ministry of the South Asia region was held on the Zoom platform from 2nd to 5th November 2021. Animated and led by the General Counsellor for Youth Ministry, Father Miguel Angel Garcias Morcuende, and by Father Patrick Ationraj, a member of the same dicastery. In addition to the delegates of the provinces for the PG of the region, the appointment was also attended by the national leaders of the Commission for the Dimensions of Youth Ministry, for a total of 16 participants. The theme of the reflection and debates in the assembly were focused on youth ministry and family, the parishes and shrines entrusted to the Salesians, the Salesian youth movement and the structures of youth ministry and their impact. Each of these topics was addressed while always maintaining a specific attention to the charismatic identity. The extraordinary visit conducted on behalf of Director Major by Father Vaclav Clement, extraordinary visitor ad nutum and pro tempore, to the province of Northern Poland has reached the 25th community, that of the Salesian schools, St. Joseph of Szczecin, one of the 4 Salesian communities in the city of the Poland-Germany border. During the last 30 years, this vast and articulated work and authentic Valdocco for the province has offered a Salesian education to thousands of young people and brought them to the encounter with Jesus. On November 5th, the meeting of the Provincials of the Delegates of Mary Help of Christians FMA and the Provincials of the Salesians of Don Bosco SDB of the Conference of the Provinces of South America, Argentina, Chile, Paraguay and Uruguay took place online. Gabriel Romero, Councillor for the South Zone America region, and Sister Marta Riccioli, new visiting councillor of the FMA, were present at the event. The meeting was held with the aim of deliberating on the themes of the pastoral bodies that FMA and SDB jointly animate and to share resonances and information on the 24th General Chapter of the FMA. It was an experience rich in fraternity with a new impulse on the path of joining forces in a common mission among the poorest young people of the region. On Sunday, 24th October, the 25th anniversary of the Salesian presence in Romania and Moldova was celebrated in Constance, work belonging to the province of northeast Italy. The Salesians arrived on the shores of the Black Sea exactly on October 24, 1996. Since that day, Don Bosco's presence in Romania has grown, also reaching Bacău, Romania, and Chisinau, Republic of Moldova. At the celebration presided over by Monsieur Ieronim Jacob, Episcopal Vicar for Dobrogia, was present the Salesians of the 3 communities, including Father Sergio Bergamin and Father Sergio Dal Antonia, the first 2 Salesians who arrived in Romania from Veneto. The event was attended by various generations of young people, animators, lay people, who over the years have crossed the doors of the oratory daily. The liturgical celebration was followed by a podcast that interviewed the first 2 Salesians and Father Venceslau Gorsu, current director of the work of Constance. Hundreds of young people from 23 Salesian provinces of the province of Venezuela, carried out in the month of September and October, experiences the solidarity among the poorest and most needy of the various works. In addition, meetings were organized in the various pastoral areas to animate, walk and prepare for the educational pastoral year. Salesians, young people and adults of the 23 Salesian works continue to be a reference for the Venezuelan people. About 100 young people participated in the Youth Forum organized from 29 to 31st October 2021 by the Salesian Youth Movement at the Salesian work of Namaka. The event, a traditional appointment of the SYM of the Salesian Vice Province of Mozambique, this year took place in a limited manner in compliance with the health guidelines for the prevention of the pandemic. The activity was led by Father Sergio Daniel Saide, Delegate for Youth Ministry of MOZ Province, accompanied by various SDV and FMA who helped the participant to live the moment with depth. The experience of the forum was lived under two focal and guiding guidelines, Strana 2022 of the Rector Major, Do Everything for Love, Nothing for Strength, and the theme proposed by Pope Francis for World Youth Day 2021, Arise, I be your witness to what you have seen, taken from the Acts of the Apostle, chapter 26, verse 16. Father Aldolfo Sarmento, MOZ Superior, presided over the Eucharistic celebration at the conclusion of the forum. Students in Kerala went back to school on 1st November after a long spell of COVID-19 lockdown. Students of the Don Bosco School in Pottupalli, near Kottayam in Kerala, were in for a surprise and thrilled at what they saw in school. Most children may not be able to make the quick shift from home learning to classroom learning, and teachers would find it stressful to manage numerous fidgety and impatient kids in the classroom. The principal of this Don Bosco Higher Secondary School, Father Tony Cherian, said he had to think out of the box to address the issue well in advance and establish a happy zone for the children. Thanks to the trusted, reliable and globally renowned partners of Don Bosco, Judendrate Welt, JEW, Austria and International STEAM Research ISR, Father Tony's concept is a reality today. A group of alumni of the Salesian College, Sonada and Don Bosco University, Guwahati, organized a free online spoken English course for 40 indigenous students of Bangladesh, India and Nepal from September 10, 2021. Program Director Mr. Sergio Hembron and his team from Chandpur, Shantiraj Jubo Songo, divided the Santal and Adivasi student into two classes, theory and practical. The 2 months courses consisted of 18 theory classes and 16 interactive practical sessions. The closing ceremony of the spoken English course was held online on November 5, 2021 with Vice Principal Father C.M. Paul, currently Vice Principal Science in Salesian College, Siliguri, as the chief guest. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Thank you for watching.